Okay, GGMS, here we are talking about teleprompters today. I want to show you my top recommendation for using a teleprompter with your DSLR or mirrorless camera. I don't recommend any tablets or cell phone apps because we don't want to be looking down on a screen and reading instead of connecting eye to eye. You can connect, convert, communicate better than ever by looking into the camera and really connecting with your audience. But today, I want to show you how you can do just that, make your scripts easier, be able to pump out more content by using the Padcaster Parrot Teleprompter. Highly recommend, very affordable and easy to use. The next steps are showing you exactly how to load your scripts, put it onto your camera, and use it flawlessly. Remember, strive for perfection, but embrace excellence.
You're going to love this teleprompter if you're trying to pump out more videos. And GGMS, I know you're trying to pump out more videos. You're going to get a box with 13 different rings for a variety of cameras. We just want to make sure that we have the right ring for our camera. In this case, it's a 67mm, and this is going to fit directly on the front of our camera. Again, we want to emphasize looking at our potential future, past, and current clients right in their eyes so that we can maintain that connection that makes video so powerful. So we have a slanted glass here, and we have a spring-loaded bottom where you're actually going to install your phone with the Parrot Teleprompter app, where you'll be easily able to upload any script, copy and paste, put it right in there. Write your own scripts right there on the app or in your notes in your phone, and then copy and paste it right into the app, and it's going to scroll right along here. I just want to make sure that we're very conversational with these things. You know, a teleprompter will work if we're able to talk naturally. Think of this kind of like leaving a voicemail message with one of your friends. You don't think about it too much. You know the message that you intend to leave with them, and you always leave a call to action. Hey, call me back, text me, come to the event tonight, whatever that might be. It's very natural for you. We want to make sure that our teleprompter use is natural too. If we find ourselves being too robotic or sounding like we're reading too much, hey, it might just take a little more practice, or we might want to just make chunks of our content and edit those and put those together via video editing. Otherwise, a teleprompter is going to be really, really great for you, and you're going to pump out more content than ever. So as soon as we have our phone onto the spring-loaded bottom, we're going to just install this on the front of our camera. It's as easy as making sure it's on there tight, and it's going to hang right on the front of your camera. It is really great. And then I can use my remote from a distance, my Bluetooth remote, to be able to start it, get on my conversation, make sure that my camera is on, and I'm going to look directly into the camera and be able to read the content that I need to get out. It's going to change my business. It's going to make me more relationships than ever, because that's really what video is about. Yes, we're using it for marketing, but video is best used for relationships. And the more relationships you have, the more your business is going to grow. So we've got that on the front here. I can start. Hi, my name is Ryan. I'm your local guide to St. Pete and Tampa Bay real estate. Please call me at 813-727-4021. But a lot of our content we're going to know right off of our heads. But for those scripts and making those videos that we need to make, a teleprompter might be just the thing that you need. I'm going to pull this off, and I'm going to show you how great it actually looks. You're going to look directly into the camera and read that. I'll show you what it looks like as it's scrolling. So that's going to be, you're not going to have any light behind it, so it'll be very easy to read. And you can slow that up, speed it up, you can change the font, you can do a lot of different things and add all the scripts that you need. Here is a quick tutorial to show you within the app and what it looks like installing your scripts. You're going to love this teleprompter.
Okay, let's get into our phone and go to our Parrot Teleprompter app. Here on the left, we're going to have all of our settings for font size, font speed, as well as color and background. We can go right into this scripts area where we're going to house all of our scripts. They will all save directly here. We can move them around and change their order, as well as swipe left and be able to hit the editing button. We could clear out this script completely or edit it right here. We're going to go ahead and select all and get that out of there. Then let's say we go into our notes app and we already have a script ready that we've copy and pasted. Simply do the same thing. Highlight, copy, go right into your Parrot Teleprompter app and paste your script. Hit save, and now you're going to have that right here housed in your scripts, and immediately you can start using your teleprompter.